Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what is the difference between enable load and include in report refresh and how it works. For that we need to go into the query editor. As you can see, there are 4 tables over here, and if you right click on any of the queries you will see two options, enable load and include in report refresh. What are these two options? First, let's learn about include in report refresh. Let's suppose you have a CSV file which is a source of any of the queries, and whenever the data is updated in the CSV file, you need to update the data in the data model as well. For that, you generally refresh the query. When you click on refresh, you will notice all the 4 queries are being refreshed. Means if there is any update in the source file, the data is going to be updated in the data model as well. But in this case, the data is relatively smaller and it didn't take much time to load the data. But there will be instances where the data set is going to be large, may even be in millions of rows. In that case, it's going to take much longer for the entire data set to load. And in some cases, you will also have a static master, and that would also take additional time to load, which is not even required. If you have a static master which is not changing and the file is just for reference purpose, in that case you don't even need to refresh the data. So in that case, you can simply go over to the query. You can right click on the query and uncheck the option include in report refresh. Now when you go back and refresh the data, you will notice that only 3 tables are being refreshed. This will help you save a lot of time. Now let's go over to enable load. Let's say this table, you are using this table just for reference purpose and to merge a couple of queries and do certain other operations on the data, but you actually do not require this table or this query in the report builder format. In that case, what you can do is you can right click on the query and uncheck the enable load option. Click on continue. As you can see, this query is now turned into italics. This is signifying that this is unchecked, the enable load option, right? Now when you go over to the query or the report builder, you will notice that one of the tables that we removed the enable load option is not showing over here. Now how does it help us? When you import more and more number of queries into the data model and it is visible in the report builder, it will take additional time for the entire data set or the visuals to refresh. In order to save time for the data refresh and the refreshing of the visuals, it is advisable or it is recommended for you to uncheck the enable load option if you do not require that query directly for building your reports. That pretty much summarizes what is include in report refresh and enable load. Thank you for watching this video.